So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new videos. So in this video I will teach you how you can solve your problem in Google Assistant. So before starting the videos I want to share you one thing. So guys, if you are new in this channel, then please hit that subscribe buttons and like all the videos. So guys, let's start this video. So guys, to solve this problem Google Assistant, you have to go for settings. So after going in settings, you have to search for app management. So after that you have to go for app list, and after that you have to search for Google Assistant. So after that you have to go for stop. So after clicking for stop, you have to go for storage users and you have to clear cache and clear data. And after that you have to go for manage notifications. So here everything is fine. So guys, only this you have to do. And guys, thanks for watching this video.